All right, this is going to be a lesson on Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. We're going to have this little beginning here. Okay, so that's our first riff. That's going to go one time in the intro and then 4 times for the first verse. So we have 2 D hits and kind of a jing, kind of an up, down, A, G, and then we're going to go to this D here. We're going to get into this little honky tonk riff. So we want to kind of have muting the bottom here, and we want this first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd finger here on this 3. And we want to kind of mute that bottom, and like I say, we're going to be able to do the bass note up here too. So we got, so we're hitting that chord, that 3-note chord. It's like a power chord for D. So let's see how that works. Da dee da down, da dee da down, da dee. So you got a up there, you got down, down, and then you got up, down, and the down after that up is that 4. So you got, so you got da down, da dee da down, da dee da. Now we're going to get in the chorus. So jing, jing, da, jing, da, jing, da, jing. So that's a ding, 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 da, ding, da, ding, 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 da, ding. We go back into that thing when we get to D. So everything so far, we got 2, 3, and. Going to G, D, and then A to G to D. Okay, then we start the 2nd verse. So here we're going to have fills each time. So we have the D, A, G. So you could kind of hit like the lower part of the chord or just the bass note. And then we're going to hit that 3 on the 2nd string. Dun, dun, dun. So the 4 on the G. And then we have a slide here, 3 to 4 in the D string. Down to the 3 here on the 2nd. 4 and 2 on the G. So we got. And we got our D. So it does that each time there. And then the last time it won't do it. Chorus G. Okay, now we got a solo. So we had the 7s here. This is a D chord. And then we had this A here, 7, 6, 5. Just gives it a different ring down here than just doing it down here all the time, so it kind of sounds cooler for the solo. So we got the 3 top 7s is a D chord. And do a little judging at the end. And this is an A chord, 7, 6, 5, down to 5, 4, 3 for a G chord. A, G, that fill, and again. Now that one I'm coming into the D. You could either reach it this way, but we have to get a little thing of. So. 5, 2. Now here we go into a bar chord G. And we're gonna have this little 5. We're gonna play off of the pinky on the 5 on the second string, play off that chord a little bit. Okay, so it has a little playing off the G with that little thing, it's a G6 chord. Kind of in the same kind of honky tonk feel as that other chord there, this D right here. So okay, so that was the solo. Let's try that one more time. So we got. Next verse. This time we'll have it all 4 times. We'll have that riff. G, D, A, G. Okay, so then after the solo, we'll have the last verse. And this time we'll do it the 4th time also. So this last chorus, we're gonna have some fills where we're gonna jump up here to this high thing. So we got. So that's 8 and 7 with a 10 on the bottom. D. 3 and 2 down here with the 5. A, G, D. Back to the G. D. A, G. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1. So bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum. Okay, so Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Let's take a look at that solo one more time. Okay, Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Hope you dug that. This will have a tab, a little chord chart with it. So thanks a lot. Let me know if you have any requests, and we'll talk to you soon.